Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Yasin, Edwards College, Peshawar, Pakistan. Dear students, today we will discuss the ideas related to exercise 6.4. The chapter name is Plane Analytic Geometry. The first topic is concurrent lines and point of concurrency. So first of all, we will discuss concurrent lines. For example, there is a line L1, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, generalized or standard form of equation of straight line, and there is another line similarly, and also there is a line L3. These lines are concurrent if graphically, for example, there is a line L1 and there is another line, say L2, and there is also a line L3. If these three lines passing through a single point are same point, then these lines are concurrent. How we find mathematically the lines are concurrent? The mathematical result for the concurrent line is that if A1, B1, so A1, A2, A3, it means that the coefficient of x and the coefficient of y, B1, B2, B3 and C1, C2, C3. If the determinant equal to 0, it means that all the coefficient of lines L1, L2, L3 and the determinant is equal to 0, it means that lines are congruent, and graphically the line passing through a single point, then these lines are called concurrent lines L1, L2 and L3, and the point from which these lines are passing, this is called point of concurrency, and point of concurrency in this case is this point. If lines are concurrent, then this point is called point of concurrency. When lines are not concurrent, for example, if L1, L2, L3 is like that, they are not passing through a single point, there are different points are there, 1, 2, 3. In this case there is a triangle, but in this case there is no triangle. In this case the lines passing through a single points. In this case the lines form a triangle and there must be a area in this case is there, but in this case there is no area. It means that in this case the area is equal to 0 and the lines are in this case concurrent. It is obvious, crystal and clear from the graph. Concurrent lines have a point of concurrency, but if lines are not concurrent, it means that there is no point of concurrency. So if we find point of concurrency, we have three options: solve equation 1 and equation 2 related to line 1 and related to line 2, we have a point of concurrency. Other option is equation 1 and equation 3 related to L1 and L3, and we have another option is there L3 and L2. It means that solve equation number 2 and equation number 3. It is our equation number 1, this is equation number 2 and this is equation number 3. So simple, if the lines are concurrent, then there is a point of concurrency, and concurrent lines mean the line passing through a single point.